Hello, good morning. How are you? Today we are going to talk about simple person. Are you ready? Let's go. The question is, when can you use this tense? You use this tense when an action happens regularly. You can look at in the picture a man swims in the beach. When does he swim in the beach? On weekends. What are some grammar rules of the simple present? When you use the third person singular, like he, she, and it, you must add some verbs, the letter S or ES or IES. In this worksheet, you look at some verbs that end with the vowel O, the consonant S, H, C, H, S, S. You must to these verbs E, S, and the end of them. The sentence of the worksheet says, he goes to the school every day. Why? Because you use the third person singular he, and the verb is the verb go. You must add es. Other grammar rule of the simple present is when the verbs end with consonant plus y, you must eliminate it and add ies. You can look at some verbs, cry and cried, try, tried, study, studied, hurry, hurried. The sentences say she studied English 3 times a week. You can look at the verb change because we use the third person singular. What is the base form of this tense? When you create or form a sentence in the simple present, first you must put the pronoun or subject plus the verb in indefinite form plus complement. Look the picture. Some children eat pizza. The sentences show us they eat pizza on Saturday. What is the base form to make yes or no question? First of all, you must use the auxiliary. In the first person or singular, you use the auxiliary do with the pronoun I and you. And the plural, you must use the auxiliary do. But in the third person singular, you must use the auxiliary does. Then you put the verb plus the complement. You can look at two sentences to show us what is the form to create a yes or no question or do yes or no question. For example, do you read poems? Second, does she make exercises? You have two forms to answer the yes or no question in affirmative or negative. For example, in the first person singular, you use in affirmative, yes, I do. And the next pronoun, yes, you do. In the third person singular, you use yes, she, he, it, does. And the plural, you use yes, they, we, you, the auxiliary, do. In the negative, first you use the word no. Next, the pronoun I. You can use two forms, do not or the contraction don't. No, you, do not, and the contraction don't. No, she, he, it, does not, or the contraction doesn't. And in the plural, in the negative form, no, they, we, you, do not, or don't. We have other questions that you can use in the present simple. They are the WH questions. WH questions are questions which start with a word like what, when, where, which, who, why, how. The base form of these questions is first question word plus the auxiliaries do or does depends of the subject of the pronoun plus subject of pronoun plus infinitive verb or present simple verb plus complement. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 questions in this worksheet. First, what do you do on weekends? Is a direct question. You can answer, I do my homework. Second, where does she work? You can answer, she works in a school. 3. When do they play soccer? You can answer, they play soccer in the park. And how many apples do you eat a week? You can answer, I eat 3 apples. Bye bye. See you soon.